Hello? 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 Hello out there? Is anybody there? Is anybody there? Oh, there you are. Hi guys, it's me, Anetra D from Bald Head Beauty TV, and I'm glad to be sharing pieces of me with all of you. A while back, a friend of mine said to me, Anetra, you need to make a video about what your channel is going to be about. The people need to know. So here I am creating this video for you. So what's this channel going to be about? I'm glad you asked. You see, I've watched my fair share of YouTube videos over the years. Don't judge me. No, really, don't judge me. And over time, I've learned how to do so many things. I've laughed and I've cried with people. I've been inspired by people. I've learned and had the courage to try things that I would not have tried if I had not watched that YouTube video. So I said to myself, Self? And Self said, yes. I think that I have something to share with the world. And Self said, you should share it then. I have a passion for helping people and inspiring them to accept themselves just as they are. And yes, they will grow, but helping them to love themselves every step of the way as they do it. So I'll create videos about that. I love to laugh. I find joy in the most insignificant and interesting things, and I want to share that with you. So I'll create videos about that too. I'm 42 and I'm in love with all things beauty and sensible fashion. But some things I can't do now. I've had to adjust some skincare routines. Crop tops have gotten longer. You know how it is when we get older. So how do we still keep it fresh and look good at any age? I want to help you know how to do that too. So of course, I'm going to create videos about that. And finally,
jeez, that was a lot.
I love my family. I mean, they are funny, they are crazy, they are all sorts of great. And so of course, I'm gonna make videos about that too. Pretty much, it's in everything I like, everything I wanted to share with you, everything you need to know, but you didn't know you wanted to know it until you watch my channel, Kinda Channel. And I hope you will continue to join me on this creative journey. Come, be inspired, have some fun, learn how to do things with me. Let's grow together. Learn how to love the skin that you're in. Subscribe, 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 and like and comment on my videos. And that way I will know what kind of content you want to see from me. And we can keep it... Okay, that was silly. And of course, hit the notification button so you won't have to miss out on any of this goodness. Woo! That was a mouthful. See you soon, and you can always catch me at Bald Head Beauty TV. Remember, winners are not those who never fail, but those that never quit. Don't quit, never give up, and you will win.